Good morning, dear students. This is Geeta Rani from BLJ DAV Public School, Jakal. We are doing our first unit of reader book, that is celebrations. Under this unit, we are discussing different type of celebration that we do at our home. In first chapter, we had discussed the famous festival of Japan, that was Hina Matsuri. Now, this chapter is based on the birthday celebration. This chapter is about the birthday of the famous character of Harry Potter. Harry Potter was a wizard, and it is an extract from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban बाय J.K. रॉलिंग. ये जो चैप्टर है ये एक बुक में से लिया हुआ है. बुक का नाम था हैरी पॉटर एंड द प्रिजनर ऑफ एज़्काबान और ये बुक लिखी थी J.K. रॉलिंग ने. लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. हैरी पॉटर, द सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर of the chapter, was a wizard whose parents had died in a road accident when he was 1 year old. जब वो 1 साल का था उसके पेरेंट्स की डेथ हो गई थी एक कार एक्सीडेंट में. एंड ही हैज़ टू लीव विथ हिज रिलेटिव्स कॉल्ड डर्सले. डर्सले नाम के उनके रिलेटिव्स हैं जिनके साथ वो रहता है और उसमें सिर्फ 3 मेंबर्स हैं फैमिली में. एक मिस्टर डर्सले, एक उनकी वाइफ और उनका बच्चा डूडले. But this family didn't like Harry Potter because Harry Potter was a wizard and they are Mugglers. Mugglers are the persons who are non-magical because Harry Potter take a training from a school of witchcraft, that is Hogwarts School. Hogwarts School से उसने विचक्राफ्ट और विजार्ड्री की ट्रेनिंग ली थी, इसलिए वो एक विजार्ड बन गया था. और जो जिनके साथ वो रहता था डर्सलेस, वो लोग उनको कोई भी नॉलेज नहीं थी विजार्ड के बारे में. दैट्स वाई दे हेट हैरी पॉटर. टुडे इज हैरी पॉटर्स 13th birthday and he was expecting nothing special on that day. उसको कुछ भी स्पेशल फील नहीं हो रहा था. He was standing near the window and looking outside. When he saw his pet owl with 2 more owls, he was surprised to see that they had gifts with them tied on their feet. उन्हें देखा कि 3 आउल उड़ के आ रहे हैं, उनके पैरों पे गिफ्ट्स बंधे हुए हैं. He has recognized his first owl, his pet owl, Errol. And when they came near, he opened first gift that was from Egypt. His friend Ron had sent him from Egypt. इजिप्ट से उनके फ्रेंड ने रॉन ने वो गिफ्ट भेजा था. एंड उस गिफ्ट में क्या था? अ पॉकेट स्नीक स्कोप. स्नीक स्कोप था उनके गिफ्ट के अंदर. एंड ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी by receiving this gift. As he opened second gift, he got a letter from the brightest student of the school, that is Hermione. Hermione was the brightest girl in Henry's class. She sent him a gift, that is broomstick. एक broomstick भेजी थी उसकी फ्रेंड ने, उनका नाम था Hermione. And third gift was sent by his friend, that is Hagrid. Hagrid नाम का एक दोस्त था, उसने उनको गिफ्ट भेजा था द बुक ऑफ मॉन्स्टर्स फ्रॉम मॉन्स्टर्स. मॉन्स्टर्स की एक बुक थी जो उसने उनको भेजी थी. हैरी हैप्पीली लुक्ड एट ऑल द गिफ्ट्स अराउंड हिम. वो उन गिफ्ट्स को देख के बहुत खुश होता है. एंड ही फेल फर्स्ट टाइम दैट ही हैज सेलिब्रेटेड हिज बर्थडे. उसको पहली बार महसूस होता है कि उसने अपना बर्थडे मनाया है. So here is the exercise part. Complete the web chart given below with appropriate information. Harry Potter's friends and well-wishers. Ron, Hagrid, Hermione and Errol are his best friends. Unjumble the words. Some alphabets are given to you and you are to unscramble a meaningful word. Harry Potter, wizard. Brightest girl in Harry's class, Hermione. The only living relative of Henry Dursley. The name of non-magical people called Mugglers. Name of Ron's pet owl, Errol. Fill in the appropriate information from the text. As you know, the first gift was Pocket Sneakscope, second Broomstick and third the Monster Book of Monsters. All three gifts are sent by Ron, Hermione and Hagrid respectively, and they are sent from Egypt and France. And this is another assignment for you. Take clues from clues are given to you and word is given to you. You are to complete this word. First, a magician is called wizard. The use of magical power is called witchcraft. A shake with fear, cold and weakness, tremble. Large stone structure with a fat square base and rectangle sloping sides which meet to form a point at the top, that is called pyramid. इजिप्ट में देखे हैं आपने पिरामिड्स होते हैं जो ट्रायंगुलर शेप के होते हैं. These are meant to meant for prayers for Buddhists. Yes, match these phrases with words. In the pink, in a very good health. White elephant, something that cost a lot of money but serves no useful purpose. Out of the blue, something completely unexpected. Red with red, very angry. Green with envy, very jealous. In black and white, put in the written form. So this was your chapter. Complete your practice book and send me the clips. Thank you. Have a nice day.